Hey YouTube, apologies, the filming went a little bit awry with this video, but I'll put in the description everything that you're going to need, and it was a super simple job. So any questions, give me a shout. So today I'm going to be fixing the wooden battens, the cross members to those metal cross beams, so that I'll have something to pick up for the cladding. All right. Here I'm using some 9mm ply. The width is about 20 centimeters, and then I'm going to secure that up to the ceiling.
I'm driving down an empty freeway. No way for what to change. I'm seeing the sunrise behind.
Here I'm using a 25mm Kingspan sheet. Use your tape measure to run down the length of the board. Pressing in with the metal bit at the end of the tape measure is going to indent on the Kingspan sheet, and that's going to give you a really nice clean cut. So, really sorry, my phone ran out of battery when we started to do the ceiling, but it was such a quick job. The trickiest bit was to line up the first one. Good job. Indeed. There's only one pickup on that. Oh goodness, sorry. That's all sappy again, isn't it? Oh god, I've got the fucking camera again. Here we go, the strongest glue in the world. So the end result is this. Start with cross members on each of the ribs, insulation board, use some of the moisture foil that you can see there, tape it up, and then screw and clad over it. And all I did was put my screws in, fill over them, sand them down, and then give it a coat of paint. And I'm pretty happy with that.